Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Forever 21 gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now, let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the web address bar at the top of the screen and type in www.forever21.com and press enter. Make sure that you log into your account. Once you're logged in order to redeem your gift card online, you need to go ahead and pick a product that you'd like to shop with. Add it on a shopping bag and click open a bag located at the upper right hand corner. After everything looks good, click on checkout button. Now, go ahead and enter your shipping information into the text boxes appearing on the display. After filling in all of the information, if you want to redeem a gift card, you can click on this gift/egift/store credit link. Enter your card number that is available at the back of your gift card, enter your PIN number on the next, and finally click on the apply button to redeem your gift card online with Forever 21. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.